Hi, Neil. So, as you know, for the IET at 150, we want to celebrate difference makers, and you for sure are a difference maker. And this one's quite a personal one for me because you've made such a difference to me from a career point of view. But if you just want to start by saying what your job is and if you think you're a difference maker.
My job is I'm head of engineering at Jodrell Bank Observatory. So hopefully I make a difference to Jodrell Bank Observatory and some of the people that work there. So I see my task there is enabling the radio astronomy and enabling the radio astronomers to do that astronomy. So as far as possible, I try to make sure that they've got the best equipment and facilities to do that.
I think that's what you do really well from a difference maker's point of view. You're able to get the best out of people in terms of their abilities, their sort of engineering experience and skills as well. And I guess you're still doing that now, are you?
You know, certainly at the moment, now I'm sort of in my waning years. I think probably the best thing I can do really is support people who are good, and we have got some very good people, and just sort of help them with the confidence and give them the encouragement to do stuff that's worthwhile.
What is it that still motivates and attracts you in engineering?
So I've always wanted to get stuff done, make it work better, finish off projects and get them working. I think we should be delivering the best possible outcomes from that, and the best possible outcomes are to get give the scientists the facilities they need to make discoveries and push on the science.
Something that I always get challenged with, which I'm sure you do as well, when you talk to other people, like if you're given like a public lecture or something, is why bother? Why do what we do? What would you say to them?
There is a lot of enthusiasm for studying cosmology, studying, astronomy in general, trying to understand the sort of origins of us and the universe. So I think if we're going to do it, we should do it as well as we can.
What would you like to achieve in the next, 3 to 5 years?
The main thing I always tell people I want to achieve is to leave Jodrell Bank Observatory in a better state than when I came back to it, if you like. So I'd like to get the sort of quality of engineering to be better so that the whole thing performs better and is more reliable. But a big part of that is getting the team to function well, partly because that would further the objectives of the observatory, but also it'd be better for them because people who are giving their best and are achieving are much happier than people who are frustrated and not achieving. So they can look up and it's all performing well.
What advice would you have for young people who wanted to come into STEM subjects and be a difference maker in whatever way?
Look for opportunities to expand what you do and not be deterred if your first try at that doesn't work. There are always other opportunities, I think. I don't think it's a good idea to become overly specialised in something unless you're obsessed with that and it's the only thing, it's the only thing you ever want to do. Try and keep a spread of interests and skills, because these days, things can go wrong quite quickly in all sorts of walks of life. And if you've only got one string to your bow, it's quite difficult then to pick up another one. Not impossible. So you should try and develop a range of skills and interests if you can.
Thank you so much, Neil. I mean, it's like I say, you have made such a difference to me, and I know you've made a difference to the other companies that you've worked with, the younger people there as well. So thank you very much.